Welcome to the heart of the production of 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil of quality. In this video, we will witness the birth of one of the world's most esteemed culinary treasures. It all begins with the loving care of the olive trees. Italian farmers dedicate years to cultivating these trees, carefully selecting the best lands and adopting traditional cultivation techniques passed down through generations. When the olives are mature, the time for harvesting arrives. With patience and precision, farmers handpick or use specialized machinery to gather each precious olive, ensuring maximum quality and freshness. Once harvested, the olives undergo a meticulous selection process, where each one is examined to ensure that only the best and most mature ones become part of our extra virgin olive oil. The olives are then gently washed to remove any impurities or residues, preserving their natural and authentic flavor. Now it's time to turn our olives into liquid gold. With ancient stone mills or modern mechanical crushers, the olives are crushed to release their precious essence. The olive paste is then pressed to extract pure oil, keeping its rich aroma and fruity flavor intact. After extraction, the oil is left to rest to allow for natural separation from water and any solid residues. This decantation process ensures the purity and clarity of our oil. Finally, the oil is carefully bottled, ready to bring its distinctive Mediterranean flavor to kitchens around the world. Thanks to the passion, dedication, and skill of Italian farmers, every drop of this oil is a tribute to tradition and quality. High-quality extra virgin olive oil also offers a wide range of health benefits. For example, it contains high levels of antioxidants such as vitamin E and polyphenols, which help fight free radicals in the body and protect cells from oxidative damage. It is rich in monounsaturated fats such as oleic acid, which can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. The antioxidants in extra virgin olive oil can help reduce inflammation in the body, helping to prevent or alleviate conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that can promote skin health, helping to moisturize it, protect it from damage caused by free radicals, and maintain a youthful and glowing appearance. 100% Italian extra virgin olive oil, a culinary treasure that encapsulates the taste and soul of Italy.